I had the opportunity, along with Learning Time VR, to take my students to 16 Tech to learn about mixed reality, augmented reality, and virtual reality. The first week we had a little bit of engagement with the students. By the third and fourth times, I had almost all my students come. So the engagement was definitely a plus. On the bus rides home, they said they loved it and they can't wait to come back.
In Bradley's class, we have utilized a few different applications. Some of them are full CAD softwares, some of them are a little bit more simple just to get them interested and familiar with the software. With these headsets, you're able to create experiences that you wouldn't otherwise be able to have in the classroom, so we can bring them into an advanced manufacturing facility that they may not have access to before that. It gets them career ready, prepared to enter the advanced manufacturing facilities. Give them equipment like welding equipment where you don't actually have to use the metal and all the gas that is required for conducting that kind of course. You can actually do it all virtually and compile that with a bunch of different applications.
And safety is also a big piece of that as well, because you don't have the risk of safety with welding in virtual reality versus welding in real life. And so there's a lot of advantages to doing it that way, as well as doing it as many times as it takes to get it right. So you're not limited by materials, you're not limited by anything else other than your attention to actually get the job completed. Really grateful and appreciative of Manisha at 16 Tech and Dr. McCoy to help us facilitate this introduction to virtual reality and how it can change manufacturing and education.